Salty Squad, this is the Velvetlox with another delicious meal for you today. Now today, you guys, I got something special. It's something that I just pretty much thought of myself, and I'm going to try it for the first time. I've never seen it, I've never had it before, I've never even heard of it. But today, I'm going to be making a Pina Colada coconut fried fish. Now I know you've heard of coconut fried shrimp, but this is going to be the fillet version, okay? Never seen it, never heard of it, but I'm going to recreate that for the fillet fish today. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. So we're going to start off with 3 eggs, okay? 3 medium size or large eggs is fine. We're also going to be using some onion powder. You're also going to be needing some garlic powder and some Lorry seasoned salt. Oh yes. We're also going to be using some cayenne pepper, as well as some black pepper. And to top it off, we're going to also be using our breadcrumbs. Any type of seasoned breadcrumbs is fine. This is the 4C's breadcrumbs, okay, and it's seasoned. Now, this is the kicker right here. We're going to be using some sweet coconut flakes, as well as some master of mixes and any type of mixer, a Pina Colada mixer. Alright, so this is the master mixer, handcrafted Pina Colada mixer. Alright, so we're going to give this a nice sweet taste, but a fiery kick at the same time. So yes, let's try this out right now. As well as a pan. You're going to need a pan. Alright, so get your pan ready, get your pan ready, get your pan ready. Now to fry this up, we're going to be using our extra virgin olive oil. So you're going to need 2 bowls. You're going to need one for the wet mix and you're going to need one for the dry mix, okay? So let's start the dry mix up first. This is not really any specific type of measurements because I don't know the measurements. All I know is I got a pan full of fillet fish and I need to bread it. So I'm going to pour in maybe about 3 cups of my breadcrumbs. Now we're going to add in our seasoned salt. Okay? And like I said, you guys, this is to taste. Next, I'm going to add in my garlic powder. Now I'm going to add in my onion powder. Okay. Next I'm going to add in my cayenne pepper. Now with this I do need to measure. So I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper into this. Because like I said, it's going to have a fiery kick to it. Now we're going to add in our black pepper. Now the reason there's no measurements, you guys, is because of the fact that I'm creating this for a lot of fish. Now we're just going to mix that in. Stir that up, blend it all in really nice. And you can sample it just to make sure that it's to your liking. Okay, so you're just going to blend that in nicely. Make sure all the spices is well blended. You could even use a spoon if you need to. And then you just sample the taste to make sure it's to the right liking. Okay. Oh yeah, nice kick to it. Lastly, we're going to put in our coconut flakes. I would say probably do like maybe a cup or 2 of your sweet coconut flakes. Now this is to taste, you guys, because like I said, I'm making this for a lot of fish. And we're going to mix that in as well. So you're going to do an even ratio of your breadcrumbs. So if you do 2 cups of breadcrumbs, you're also going to do 2 cups of your sweet coconut flakes. And I think I did 3, so I'm going to add in another cup. Matter of fact, I'll just put in the whole bag. So that's about 3 cups in there. Now in the meantime, I'm turning on my pot so that I can warm up the oil. Okay, I'm just going to try this out, see how it tastes. Okay. Alright, so we're going to put this aside. And now we're going to start with our wet fluids. Like I said, we're going to be using 3 eggs. I'm going to put that in there. And next we're just going to add in some of our coconut milk. And I'm using my Jamaican Choice canned coconut milk. I'm just going to put some of that in there. And lastly, I'm going to add in some of the Pina Colada mixer. So about a cup of that. And you're just going to blend that in together. And that smells so good. Okay, so now let's get to breading our fish. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to put my oil in my pan and heat it up. Okay, doke. So now let's get to breading our fish. So we're going to take a piece of the fish. I've cut these in half. And I'm going to dip it inside of my egg and Pina Colada mix. Okay, and next I'm just going to cover it with the breadcrumbs. Okay, my sweet coconut breadcrumbs. I'm just going to make sure that it's nicely breaded on both sides. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to put this in our pan and fry it up. Okay, so we're going to do the So you're just going to keep repeating it like you know, do when you fry fish. Alright, you're just going to make sure that both sides are nicely breaded and covered well with the coconut and the breadcrumbs. Okay, you guys, so like I said, this is my first time trying this. I've never had this before. I just drummed it up in my head, and I really am so excited about trying this, seeing how it tastes. I'm a fan of coconut, I'm a fan of fillet fish. And just place that nicely into your pan. And you just continue doing that to all of them until they're all finished frying. Okay, so you fry it until it's nice and golden on both sides. And it looks delicious, you guys. Check that out. Alright, so I'll be right back when they're finished. Okay, you guys, there it is. My coconut pina colada fried fish. Alright, and I'm having that with some shells and cheese and some sweet corn. Okay, and I really hope this tastes good. I will get back to you and let you know exactly how it tastes. But this is my first time trying it, and it looks so delicious. Alright, so try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And until the next video, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the side. And join me on the next video. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell. and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.